Hi everyone, welcome back to 11 Method Shorts. Going to make a whole lot of little videos because of what I see my students get wrong. Ready? We give you a revolving sine graph and you go, oh my goodness, I don't know what the numbers are, and you get mixed up. Amplitude's actually the easiest. I should have said amplitude and period. And I can do the old, I love to do, there it is. So Brand, that number there is the amplitude. So let's go to the other one. More revolting, it's got a minus. So the number that is the coefficient of the sine is the amplitude. So the number that's the coefficient of the cos is the amplitude. So ready? Now what's my arrow? I only pointed to the 6, not to the minus. So whether it goes minus 6 or plus 6, it's still going up 6, down 6, up 6, down 6. So it's actually going how far up in total? That's 12 and that's going?
8.
So all we write is A is 4 for this one, A equals 6. You know how many people mucked up on that in their last test? Oh my goodness, mate. Now the big one, period. Every period of a sine or a cos, I'm deliberately not doing tan, has, we do radians or degrees? Let's do both. It's 360 divided by some number. So whatever's going to happen on that graph, it will be 360 divided by some number. I'm going to go into this one as well. The period is 360 divided by some number. And it's almost like I want to torment and go, oh, I wonder where that number is. Is it that one? No. Is it that one? No. Is it that one? No. It's that one. So the number that's the coefficient of the x on the inside, number that's, you brainwash this time, the number that's the coefficient of the x, so we go 360 divided by that number, 2, and we get 180 degrees. So this graph will repeat every 180 degrees. So this is identical. But it's got what number there?
1. So
the coefficient of x is 1, but it's a minus 1. When we're talking about period, do we care whether it's minus or positive?
No.
No. So it's just 360 on 1. And we had a question almost identical to that in our test, and nearly everyone got it wrong. Because they didn't know which number to use. So ready? Amplitude, the number, which is the coefficient of the sine of the cos or the tan. Period. The coefficient of the x on the inside. See, I wrote them both deliberately different to muck people up. What's this then? It's not the amplitude. It's not the period.
Vertical translation?
Yes.
Oh.
Vertical translation of 10. So if I was 10 centimetres taller and I was a sine, there we go, a sine graph. A vertical translation 10, the sine graph. I think if I went on my toes, I've gone up about 10 on a wobble. What's this one?
5.
An upside down cos graph. So an upside down cos graph. Oh, that's hard to do. And we go down, boy. So that's easy to do. I get old and I shrink by 5. We're done. That's it. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the future.